guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about SYLVAINE DELACOURTE, and this is a perfume brand from Paris. So if you guys want to hear more about this brand, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to apologize for not uploading videos for the past, I think, 2 to 3 weeks. I've had a lot going on, a lot of good stuff, a lot of not so good stuff, so it's just been a lot on my plate, so I apologize and I promise to be more consistent. I have been. It's just these past 2 weeks have been a little bit crazy. But anyways, let's get right into it. Here is the goodie bag that I received from SYLVAINE DELACOURTE. And I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but this is a perfume brand from Paris. First and foremost, my first impression of this brand is that it seems super duper high-end, and I've never heard about it before. If I'm not mistaken, this is like their very first collection. So there are 5 perfumes in this collection: Davana, Florentina, Smeraldo, Lily Lang, Helichrys. Those are the 5 that are in this collection. I'm gonna go through a couple of them with you guys. Another great thing about this brand is that you can actually order this little collection that includes all 5 scents, and this is only for $6. So you pay $6 for 5 samples basically of the perfumes in the collection, and they're shipped all the way from Paris to the US, and that is for the low $6. So this is what it looks like when you get it. This is called the Discovery Experience. So this is your discovery box for you to try out which perfume is your best or your favorite, and then you can go on and order the big boy. So I received this in the mail first, and I actually went ahead and smelled all of them, and then I checked which one was my favorites, and I really fell in love with Davana and Lily Lang. Those were my 2 favorites. So in the back they give you like all of the ingredients so you can know which ones probably smell like what. I'm actually gonna go on the website and make sure. The great thing about this perfume line is that all of the perfumes are centered around raw materials, so all of the scents are mostly natural smelling. So that is like the unique thing about this brand in general. If you go to the website, which is so dope, they actually give you all of the materials that all of the raw materials that are in the perfume that you choose. They have 5, so you're able to skim through them and see what was the inspiration behind it, and they also have videos on how the perfume was made, so you get a really good background about where these perfumes come from, and it also helps you decide which one you want, besides having this little gift set for yourself. So as I said, my favorites were Lily Lang and Davana, not Davana. So here I am, I'm gonna open the main event. This is the one I got in full size, and I believe this one is Davana, Lily Lang. That was my ultimate favorite. So you open this, first of all, this packaging is really dope, and as you can tell, it looks so sleek and high-end. So that was like my initial impression, was just like, this is so bomb. And then when you open it, there you go, this is how the perfume bottles look. All of them are the exact same size and exact same design, and I think this rose gold thing is for all of them as well. This is your full-size perfume bottle, and this is really cute, and it's super duper heavy. So for this bottle, this is a 3.3 fluid ounces, and you only pay $160 for this, which is a lot cheaper than a lot of the higher end brands. And as I said, this brand is super duper sleek, and it feels like nice. Like, I think this is totally worth it. So I think the price is really good. Or you can pay $75 for 1 fluid ounce brand, which is that's a huge deal. And again, this is for the full size perfume bottle. It also comes, this is the inside cover of the perfume box, and you get this beautiful picture here. So I feel like Another thing about each and every one of these scents and perfumes is that they all have their feel and vibe, and I think if you get the Discovery set that is only $6, you can test all of them and see which ones suit your scent the most. Another dope thing that you can get is their travel size perfumes, which I also did get. So this is what it looks like, which is probably one of my favorite things. This is how dope their perfume, their travel size perfume is. And here it is opened. So it has the same exact similar packaging as the original size, perfume bottle. But this is what it looks like. And you can also get little replacements which look like this for you to replace your travel size perfume bottle. So I've gotten, for the travel size, I got 2 Lily Langs and 2 Davana because those were my 2 favorites. And this is so small and dope, and it actually has a nice weight to it. So it isn't like super duper light. It is pretty heavy, and it fits right in your bag because it's so small. If you compare a lipstick, it's actually not that much bigger than a lipstick. So you can fit this right in your purse without a problem, but it does have a weight to it. The travel size perfumes has 0.25 ounces. Overall, this collection I feel like has a really nice feel to it, and this collection in general is called the Musk collection. I also received their candle. I believe this is the only scent that they have, but their candle, like their packaging has me sold because it looks, it feels, it looks, the vibe is so high end and it's so affordable. So I absolutely love it. This is how the candle looks, and this is glass. So you definitely have to be very careful. So from the candle scent, I would say it's like a floral kind of scent. Okay, so I was definitely right. It has a lot of different flowers and flowery scents in this candle, and one of the main flowers is the orange flower, a symbol of purity, and is accompanied by Lang Lang, quintessential exotic flower, and becomes almost decadent with the intense character of amorous wood along with spicy notes of black cumin. So yeah, all of those scents in... Whoa. So they also have this available to you on their website. But overall, I do give this perfume line, I do give it an A because it smells really rich. It's not like those cheap perfumes that they have such a like vague scent, but it's also not like an overpowering scent. It's like a nice and gentle, all of them actually. All of these scents are very like gentle, and you can tell that it's something that you've smelled before. Like all of the raw materials definitely come through in all of these scents. So I definitely recommend, I mean, even trying the Discovery box, and if you like it, great, buy a perfume bottle. If you don't, then don't. I mean, but at least you get this, which I think is a bright idea. I think for $6 for it to be shipped from Paris to try the entire collection, I think you can't go wrong with this. So it's up to you guys. It's really up to you guys. All of the information will be in the description box below. The website, the information, all of that will be in the description box below. I want to thank SYLVAINE DELACOURTE for sending this amazing collection to me, as well as sponsoring this video. Also, if you decide to order perfume from SYLVAINE DELACOURTE's website, you get 15% off of your first order. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!